So YouTube, check this out, right?
Object on road reported ahead.
I have this guy that I met from Marketplace. I was looking on Marketplace for a rug for my 2010 Lexus CT. Sorry, it's a 2010 Lexus HS250H. So I was messaging back and forth with him about the mat, and I found out eventually when it got time to buy the mat, we agreed on a price of $125. When it became time to buy the mat, I found out that he was all the way in Wisconsin, in a place called Mequon, Wisconsin. It's like north of Milwaukee, just a little suburb, a rich suburb north of Wisconsin. So I thought to myself, this is just too far. And I was never going to be able to pick it up. So I kept planning on dates. I was like, okay, I'm going to go when there's low traffic. I'm going to go early in the morning. I'm going to go late in the evening. And I never got a chance to pick it up. He even offered to come to the airport to drop it off, but I never got a chance. But eventually somebody booked a car. One of my renters booked a car from Milwaukee International Airport. So the day that I decided to deliver the car at Milwaukee International Airport, I left earlier than I was supposed to, so I had enough time. I was able to meet up with this guy, and I was able to make the deal. But upon arrival, I found out that the guy was also a Turo host. He owns about the fleet of 25 vehicles, and he's a multi-millionaire actually. He migrated here from Canada. He's Russian. He's a Russian immigrant into the United States via Canada. So he has done well for himself. He was actually a millionaire in the car business in Canada before he came to the United States. So he came over here and he took advantage of the Turo opportunity. So I showed up. He was so impressed about what I did, and what sparked the whole conversation was the fact that the car that I came to pick up, the mats, the floor mats, is a WeatherTech floor mat. So in case you're wondering, the mats were about approximately $300 on eBay, and he was selling it to me for $125. So I thought that was a good deal for the front and the back. So when he saw my 2017 Toyota Prius, which is the car that I'm in right now, I just came to pick up the car, and we decided to have a meeting. We had a meeting on that day. We just had a very brief meeting. He showed me a couple of things. He was excited to meet me. We had a very nice conversation and everything. He had cars to deliver at the airport. I had to go to the airport to deliver the Prius as well and catch a train. So we rescheduled to meet today to have an extensive conversation. So right now, I'm on my way to see him. Actually, while I was on the train to Wisconsin to pick up this Prius, someone booked the car again for 9 o'clock. And I had to tell the guy to cancel because I wasn't going to be able to make it. And as soon as he canceled, I went in and blocked it so that I could have this meeting. Because if I left it, I believe someone else was going to book it again. So right now, I'm on my way to his place. I'm 7 minutes away. So a little bit about this guy. You know, he owns a fleet of 25 cars. He does a lot of his maintenance in his garage. He lives in one of these neighborhoods where the HOA is very strict. They prohibit him from using his driveway to store his cars. He cannot have more than 5 cars at a time in the driveway. And this actually hinders him a lot because he has a lot of parking space. He has a big plot of land. You see the house when we get there. So now he's subjected to parking his cars by a hotel. So he goes to these hotels and he rents parking spots for each of his cars. And he operates out of there. He runs the business with his wife. You know, I mean, he says his wife is the boss, but whatever. He's just a cool guy. And it's good to interact with people like this when you do stuff and your goal in life is to get somewhere significant with all the opportunities you have, the advantages you've been given, the hard work that you've put in. Running into people like this that are just as excited to meet you is just always something very great. So I decided to take the opportunity to see what I could learn from him. So he's learning luxury car rentals from me, and I'm learning maintenance stuff from him because based on my experience, East Europeans, they tend to be very handy as far as maintenance. They're very handy men, just like most men of any race. But when it comes to high tech, I find out that people from East Europe, they have a very strong proclivity to know how to work on cars, especially high-end vehicles like BMWs, Porsches, and stuff like that. So since they have that knowledge, when the level of difficulty is lowered to like Japanese vehicles, that mental acuity or that ability is even more heightened. So the guy taught me, so far he's taught me certain things about synthetic oils. So he gave me some game, which I'm going to make a YouTube video about, because I don't want to give it away for free, because I don't think a lot of people even know about this stuff that he taught me. So I'm going to make a separate video that's going to be on the Solutionist channel. It's going to be a solution to some of your problems. So I'm going to share some of the things that he taught me on the Solutionist channel. But so far, he showed me some stuff about oil. He showed me some stuff about maintenance, how to keep costs low, because he does his own maintenance. He has a garage, a 3-car garage, which he uses for maintenance and storage of some vehicles to keep them out of sight. So after all said and done, he stores about 7 vehicles at his home. I'm assuming that's including the vehicle he uses with his wife. So that's just an amazing thing. So I'm going to share some of that information with you guys. And then he's trying to figure out what kind of lockbox that I use, because he does not know about the lockbox system, and he does not know about the luxury rental system that I use. And I'm learning insurance and some other things from him. So we're just trying to figure some of these things out. So that's the direction the relationship is headed right now. When he met me, he was very excited. He felt like we should, you know, he was excited about it. He was saying that we should meet, get together, have dinner, lunch or something, and just talk about business. He showed me some things about insurance, which I'm going to share with you guys. He showed me different things, you know, something even as far as AFC, keeping the rental car AFC separate from the dealership AFC. AFC is a financing company, American financial company or something like that. They help finance your fleet of vehicles on the dealership side and also on the rental side. So he shared some of this information with me. So basically, this is going to be a diffusion of ideas, kind of get together, where I tell him things that I know and he reciprocates by telling me things that he knows as well. So that's what...
Exit right to exit 85, Wisconsin 57 South, Wisconsin 167 West, Mequon Road.
So that's...
Turn right on Mequon Road.
So that's what this exchange is all about. So I'm about 2 minutes away from his place, and
turn right on Mequon Road.
Stay tuned.
Turn right on. You arrive. Your destination will be on your left. In 1,000. You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
So that's his place. It's one of his cars. That's the way.
If you need now in 2-3 hours, the Acura ready for you.
Okay. All right.
If you want a big Atlas, tomorrow morning it will be done. I can give you about $85 a day if you would like. Direct.
On the other one. Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
same price for all of them, whatever.
Right. Probably the bigger one.
What happens to your Land Rover? You don't want to sell it to me?
You can buy it if you want.
I can buy it. Why you need a car? Your Land Rover breaks down again?
Of course it did, yes.
I know, so let's do this. Sell me your Land Rover and buy something new. You spend so much money on me, so I feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, no kidding, I do. Yes, definitely. All right, well, let me figure things out. I will text you back in about half an hour.
Sure. What year is your Land Rover? And mileage? Hold on, you have a Range Rover, right?
Yeah.
double check. BMW engine, I believe, or whatever. Anyway, okay, please keep me posted because Atlas super popular. By 6 p.m. I can give you more info. I hope it's everything will be fine, but you know.
Alright, if I need something sooner, I'll get back to you. But yeah, let's do the
Sooner Acura RDX you love vehicle ready for you right now. Just get from the car wash 5 minutes ago.
Alright, let's do the Atlas for sure tomorrow when I get back to you.
Okay,
If I need something sooner.
absolutely.
Hello?
Yep, alright.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yes. Hey, how you doing, Janice? This is a beautiful office, trust me. This is as simple as it needs to be. I love the fact that you have all these like car collection over here.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I like it.
It's a Russian, it's parents, whatever, Russian cars. Russian, my
Oh yes, I know this car. This is a very famous car in Russia. Guys, check that out.
But
Yeah.
this is model made in Soviet Union before. It's not exist anymore.
There's this channel on YouTube called Garage 54. They talk about everything Russian. They do very much experiment with these cars. Very famous car in Russia.
Yeah, that's all Russian stuff.
Oh wow, that's nice.
That's from Montreal, Canada.
Oh, okay. Hey, hello.
Lily!
Hello, doggy. How you doing?
No. So okay, good. No worry.
Doggy, how you doing?
She wanna tell you hi.
Hello, how are you? Oh, hello, doggy. How are you doing? You're so soft. I feel so good. This is a husky, yeah?
Husky.
Oh, this is very good. Hello, what's up, lady? How you doing?
Russian dog.
I hope they're taking care of you here. Yeah? You help rent the cars? Yes? You help clean the cars? You help clean the cars? He's so excited.
Lily. Imported the taxes.
Oh, okay. This is nice.
And this?
You ever thought of opening it back up and maybe putting under management? No?
No, not yet.
It's not worth it, right? This one is for Georgia?
Georgia certificate like a salesperson dealer.
Oh,
This is
okay.
the license you have to get before you get this.
Oh, okay. So you've been in this business forever, you know?
This is my first dealer license in
2004.
Ontario.
I came to
Yeah.
America 2 years before that.
This is Used Car Dealer Association of Ontario, Canada. I am a member of this.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
You've been in this business for long, you know? So you know what you're doing.
Over 6,000 cars sold
Wow.
with my business.
Me, about 2,000 cars sold since
Whatever. Listen,
2016.
I still
Let me capture
from
this.
Russia.
That's AFC certification, guys. Look at this collection.
It's not much. I mean,
It means something. I love it. I love it. I have. If you decide to buy a Range Rover or a Maybach,
it's a museum.
This is museum piece, man. In the future, this thing's gonna be very expensive. They're gonna be very expensive. Guys,
No,
look.
what is it?
This is the old school camera, no?
Yes. How it's open?
Peephole. I think it's peepholes from here. It's not open all the way. It's from here. It's from the here. You look inside. Yeah? Yeah, that's how it's open.
No idea.
No, you're not supposed to open all the way. I don't think so.
My daughter know.
Oh, really?
No, but this not this one. I want to show you. All this.
Oh, this is the Leica, the old school one.
Kodak.
Kodak. Oh, this Kodak. Oh, wow. This is the old camera.
Yes.
This is vintage stuff.
Yeah, vintage.
This is vintage. Yeah, this is what the. Eventually, in the future, this is going to be worth a lot of money.
I don't know.
Hopefully, your kids don't throw it away. This is good stuff.
I hope
man.
so.
This is good stuff.
I hope so.
Wow. Oh, this is.
That's like 40 years old.
This is like brand new.
This, I believe this is my parents' camera, Russian.
Oh, this is Russian.
Yeah,
Kiev.
this is when my father meet
in the war.
my mom.
Uh-huh.
She or whatever, her parents make as a purchase,
Ooh.
like as a gift.
Like this.
Yeah. This is the family stuff.
Oh, this is very
So many
good.
years
This
ago.
Is what this is
Back in
probably what-
50s.
Oh my goodness. This is what a lot. This is
All
old
my
school
kids'
stuff.
pictures made from this.
Oh, really?
It's Russian. You see Kiev.
Yes.
It's the
it
name
says in the
Kiev.
front. That's Ukraine, no?
Ukraine right
That's
now.
why
Correct.
they're fighting the Russians, but Russia owns Ukraine.
I know.
don't why
It's gonna be like that all the
I
time.
don't know why they try to fight this stuff, man.
It's going to be like this.
It's
all the time.
politics, They just play too much.
Гитара.
games.
А где это?
Oh, you a camera guy. You love cameras, man.
This is people collect it and they get sold house and they get garage sale.
Oh yeah.
I purchase it.
Oh okay. This is
This
good
not
stuff.
exist anymore.
No, most of this stuff is gone. You cannot find.
Look at this. Those also not
Yeah,
not
this is the
existing.
Maybach back in the day, right?
Yeah.
Or the Mercedes Benz.
I don't know.
Yeah, these are good stuff. They don't make this
I
stuff.
buy them.
No, these are good stuff. You know, these are good
Just
stuff.
collection.
Since you like stuff like this, I have something very nice for you. You're gonna like it.
You don't like it?
I love this. I love this. But you know what I buy? I buy the actual size. This is the AutoZone delivery truck.
Yeah.
This is this American classic car, the Challenger.
I buy it also from AutoZone someday.
I forgot what they call it again. Major something.
You find out no good or something, you replace it right away.
Right
You're not
away.
waiting for
Yeah.
anything.
Because it can be booked any minute, you know.
One second, they can keep it for a month somewhere.
That's right. That's right.
And what they doing? If you have problem, they take it to mechanic. Mechanic, oh, car is bullshit. Bam, you eat it.
You're messed up, you know.
You messed up completely.
Negative review.
Not just review, the Turo can take it off.
Oh yeah,
That's one of the best. Too. Bendix.
Oh, Bendix. Bendix is very
European.
good. Yes, I know Bendix.
Very good.
They sell on eBay a lot.
Odyssey. You have Odyssey?
No, oh, what year?
19.
No.
I sold it.
Oh, is
Car
it?
no good. I sold it. I was thinking 1 year for recalls. Kia, no? Mazda. So that's also kind of Japanese. Only they produce it for that Mitsubishi.
Oh, okay.
Very good. I don't know that company, but I use it, and this is very, very good.
Oh, okay.
Inside the Japanese,
Very
I
good
believe
quality,
Japanese quality good.
Japanese quality is always very good.
I never know that company, but they
Oh,
works.
wow. All right, guys. It was a great meeting. You know, we had a good time just talking about everything. And now I'm taking him to his. He has a rental car that just came back, so I'm dropping him off by the rental car, and I'm heading back to Chicago because there's so much to be done. But anyways, with that said, guys, we're leaving. Okay, let's see what's going on. These are the cars. This is where the cars are located. These are some of the cars. This is the Atlas. This is where he stores the car. And Chalet Hotel in Miquon.
Anyway, thank you very much. And you're welcome. Hold on, let me give you my business card.
Okay, so here's some of the rental cars. So with this Turo host, he's also a legitimate car rental company. These are the fleet plates that he has on the cars. So his friends owns this motel. It's called the Chalet Motel, and he owns these parking spots right here. So he keeps the cars over here. You know, so that's one of the renters that just came back with the car and they're leaving.
You have to understand. I don't did anything. Just what I did, I replaced the.
And I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel because you're going to get a different level of content over here. Something that not most people are covering. And with that said, you have a great day. I think we had a very good meeting. We accomplished a lot. And I want to thank you guys. Bye.